Here are 5 shocking places on Earth that are completely impossible to visit for tourists as they are too dangerous or for other crazy reasons. Number 1, North Sentinel Island, India. If you try to visit this island off the coast of India, it's pretty likely you won't make it off alive. Why? Because this place is home to the Sentinelese tribe. They will violently attack anyone who tries to come even close to their island. These people are some of the few remaining on Earth who haven't had any contact with the outside world, and they want to keep it that way. Sentinelese people have a cultural memory of war and violence from European colonization hundreds of years ago, so they still reject any outside contact due to fear of their lives. So it makes this region prohibited for visitors of any kind, and one of the most dangerous and forbidden places in the world. Number 2, Lascaux Caves, France. The Lascaux Cave is a treasure trove for archaeologists around the globe. The cave complex contains prehistoric paintings that are up to 17,300 years old. The Lascaux Cave became a popular tourist destination after World War II. Around 1,500 tourists would visit it every day. In 1963, the cave had to be closed to the public because archaeologists believed that the breath and sweat of visitors created carbon dioxide and humidity that would damage the paintings. So to this day, this is one of the tourist sites that remain completely impossible to visit. Number 3, Dulce Base, USA. Dulce is a strange little town located near the Colorado border in New Mexico. It has a population of 2,600 Native Americans, but this town also serves as an underground laboratory where unbelievable experiments take place. It is said that the Dulce Base is a massive hidden compound that houses incredibly advanced technologies, human-animal and even human-alien hybrids. And apparently, even a major human-alien battle once took place here, leaving 60 humans dead. This base has very tight security and is completely off-limits for any visitors. Number 4, Snake Island, Brazil. As the name suggests, this is an island in Brazil infested with thousands of deadly snakes. It means that even if you don't get scared by snakes, you still won't be able to keep yourself alive even for a day here. In fact, it is so dangerous that the Brazilian government has made it illegal to visit the island. It is estimated that there are approximately 4,000 golden lanceheads on the island, the deadliest animals on the planet. Some claim the snakes were put on the island by pirates, hoping to protect their gold. But in reality, the snakes became trapped on the island thousands of years ago, after the last ice age, when rising ocean levels disconnected the island from the mainland. Number 5, Niihau Island, Hawaii. Hawaii is a popular tourist destination, but there is one island that's completely off-limits for the general public. It's called Niihau Island, and it's the most untouched of all the inhabited Hawaiian islands. There are just over 100 native people living there. They still speak their own dialect of the Hawaiian language. Niihau's inhabitants made a promise to a former Hawaiian king to protect the island from the outside world and to maintain the Hawaiian heritage. And to this day, the government has restricted entry to outsiders. The only way to visit this region is either to be a part of the US Navy or to have a relative on the island.